Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark says the microinsurance bill will be introduced before the end of the current financial year. This will allow Jamaicans to have easier access to insurance schemes. Dr. Clark made that announcement at the Insurance Association of Jamaica's microinsurance conference held yesterday. Less than 20% of Jamaicans have some kind of insurance, and those who need it the most can't afford it.
To make insurance available to informal commercial importers, to small enterprises and small firms, to persons on the lower end of the income scale, it will be necessary for risks to be pooled so that the insurance product can be affordable. But the Insurance Act today doesn't easily allow for the pooling of risk.
Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clark shared what the microinsurance bill will set out to do in addition to governance of the industry.
It will require that microinsurance products have certain minimum terms and minimum contract requirements for all microinsurance products. It will, very importantly, require that microinsurance products it will define the term of microinsurance products, and the term will be for a maximum of 1 year, though obviously it can be renewed.
It will also dictate that claims are resolved and paid out in 5 days. Dr. Clark says the bill is currently being drafted to be tabled before March next year. Meanwhile, President of the Insurance Association of Jamaica, Dr. Adrian Stokes, says in addition to the legislation, other strategies are needed for the development of the microinsurance sector.
For example, less onerous know your customer requirements, KYC requirements, and a simpler, easy-to-read contract and regulations that facilitate the insurance of persons who are not in an employer-employee arrangement, such as occupational groups or commodity organizations.
He says new technology is also needed in the sector. Now from insurance, we head to the currency market. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $154.65. It's costing $125.93 for the Canadian dollar, $212.81 is the going rate for the pound, and $183.37 for the euro. Meanwhile, the JSE index lost 3,726 points today, while the junior market index gained 35 points. Advancing today were MPC Caribbean Clean Energy US dollar shares, Access Financial Services, Knutsford Express, Everything Fresh, and Dolphin Cove. While on the losing side were Siboney Group, Productive Business Solutions PBS US dollar shares, CAC 2000, Caribbean Cement Company, and Kingston Properties Limited. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Regional and international news are after the break. Stay with us.